Procrastination is not laziness, it is fear. Fear of starting, fear of failure, and fear of discomfort. When a task feels hard, your brain looks for comfort, like mobile phones or sleep. Understanding this is the first step. Once you know why you delay, you can control it instead of blaming yourself.
I will do it later. I am avoiding this because it feels uncomfortable, but I choose to start. Awareness breaks the procrastination cycle. You cannot fix what you do not notice. Big goals scare the brain. Never say, "I will study for 3 hours." Instead, say, "I will open the book." Small steps reduce fear. Once you start small, momentum will push you forward automatically. Promise yourself to work for only 5 minutes. 5 minutes feels easy. Your brain feels safe. Most of the time, once 5 minutes pass, you will continue working. Starting is the hardest part, not finishing. Your phone is the biggest enemy of focus. Put it in another room or inside a bag. Turn off notifications. A clean environment creates a focused mind. Discipline becomes easier when distractions are removed. Study at the same time every day. When you repeat an action daily, it becomes a habit. Habits do not need motivation. Routine removes excuses and builds discipline automatically. Do not wait for success to feel proud. Reward yourself for trying. Even 10 minutes of honest work is progress. When effort feels rewarding, procrastination loses its power. Some days you will fail. That is normal. Do not quit because of one bad day. Forgive yourself and restart immediately. Progress is built by consistency, not perfection. Start again, always.